to me.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making me...
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be getting ready. I am going to my ultrasound today. I'm 24 weeks pregnant, and I felt like doing makeup and my hair and my outfit and just looking really springy, okay, even a little summery. But I definitely wanted to just get dressed because in pregnancy, sometimes you don't want to be doing nothing. Okay, so clothes and hair, makeup, it gotta be a real good day for that, okay? So that's gonna be today, and I'm really excited as well because my mom is coming to the ultrasound with me for the very first time. So it is just gonna be a really good day. Really good day. So let's just get into the details about this hair. You guys are probably about to see me start installing it. It was extremely easy. This unit is from Ishowbeauty. This is their brown highlight wig, 24 inches, and it's a 4x4 lace closure wig, you guys. And everybody knows closure wigs are super convenient, super convenient. They can be glueless, so you don't have to worry about using like Bold Hold Extreme Cream, Ghost Bond, or hairspray, nothing like that. But today during this install, I did use a little hairspray. Even though I had to shift the wig after, it was really no point of using the hairspray, but it's just peace of mind for me. Okay, so you literally can just rock this wig glueless. This wig cap size is average, and I took advantage of the adjustable straps so that I can get it to be as snug as possible. And I used the combs that are on the side of your head. Okay, so I did want to mention that I did pluck the closure part of this wig. It needs to be. So definitely keep that in mind. If you're not used to plucking, start practicing. And I just feel like it makes it look better. And also when it comes to like laying your baby hairs, I always suggest laying baby hairs with closure wigs. I typically do baby hairs because where the cap is meeting the lace on the two sides, like right here, that little tab, you gotta try to finesse that. You gotta hide that. So what I normally do is put the little swoop of some baby hairs right there and you call it a day. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm having pregnancy fog right now. I literally just totally forgot what I was about to say. This video, y'all, just might be all over the place with the info, but as long as y'all get it, okay? It was really nice being able to fluff out these curls without it getting super frizzy. I really like that, and I've already had my hands in this hair so much already throughout this video, and I'm probably gonna be doing that throughout the whole day. That's what I do. And so the fact that it is not looking super frizzy, I really appreciate that. So I think that's about all that I have to say. Anything else is going to be in the comment section, okay, because I'm fumbling over my words. Pregnancy fog, I don't know what else is gonna happen, so we're just gonna stop it right here, okay? So, oh yeah, my outfit. I'm gonna show you my outfit because I'm loving these color trends, okay? 2022 spring summer color trends are very like pop of color. You got a few of them, put them all together, okay? So I decided my two pop of colors was gonna be hot pink and orange. So I'm gonna show you my outfit, and everything is gonna be in the description box. The wig details, my outfit details, just everything. So just check there. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
I made a profile on Tinder. Some shit left me to be with him. Think that means I'm getting desperate. Wish I could return to send about you. To love me no more. I don't even know what for. Knew it was real when you blocked me. Now I sit at home judging my pride.